Welcome to our channel. This is another video on Millionaire by 25. I hope you're learning and making money for yourself. In this video, we are going to talk about blogging, and this is going to be a series. So, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button so you can get a notification on our next video. In this video, we're going to talk about blogging. And as you know, we're thinking out of the box. So without further ado, let's get into the video. How to start a blog. As you know, a blog is a regular updated website or a web page. Typically, one can run by an individual or a small group that is written in an informal or a conversational style. So that is what a blog means. And now we are going to talk about the 3 most important things you need to know before starting a blog. The first thing you need to know is to find a niche. Finding a niche is very important. When I say niche, I mean your product, something you resonate with. The first on the list is art. Art is a niche where you could actually blog on it, because it's a place where you can provide art news, the resources, and art advice for art lovers and collectors.
Sub niches under arts includes performing arts, art history, sculpturing, AI art, and art collections. So yeah, you have enough to look into.
So you should definitely look into it. The second one on the list is health and fitness. When we are blogging about health and fitness, because people go into health and fitness a lot. It's a topic that inspires people to be better versions of themselves. So you should definitely look into it.
Something you should know about health and fitness is that you can choose to also do health only, or you decide to do fitness on its own as well. There's also sub niches when it comes to health and fitness. We have the men's health, we have women's health, self-care, mental health, and sports. I know the list is so long, so just do your research and find out which is best for you.
Next on my list is sports. Sports is a niche that garners a unique customer base because of how broad it is. So if you are into sports, or you have a way you relate with sports, you definitely want to look into this blogging, because it's really gonna benefit you. And also it has the likes of football, so which is a sub niche under sports. Next on my list is travel. Blogging about travel, it's really going to be fun, because if you're someone who is into it, it's really a fun activity to do, and you blogging about it is a way for you to connect with people who are just like you, the way you guys share your curiosity. So you guys will connect in a way that would please them. So you just have to think about a better way to reach out to people who are like you and have a way of possessing the world with what you guys do. So yeah, you definitely want to look into it. Next on the list is gaming. When you're blogging about gaming, it's like you're providing a wonderful opportunity for people to escape the hustle and bustle of life. So definitely you want to look into it if you are a gamer.
Sub niches for gaming includes game reviews, gaming tips, tutorials, and walkthroughs. We have also PlayStation's games, Xbox games, RPGs. You gamers, you know what I'm talking about. So Yeah, you go check it out.
Pets and animal care is another niche people should really get into. A lot of passionate pet owners have no idea how to take care of their pets. So imagine you bringing to them what they can do in order for them to take care of their pets. Trust me, it's a game changer for your site. There's also sub niches for pet and animal care, which is dog training, aquarium supplies and maintenance, cat care, cat health, exotic pets, and so on. So trust me, you are on the right track if you are into this, because these are game changers for your sites. Another niche we're going to talk about is real estate. Real estate is a great industry to get involved in. It has a high potential for really monetizing your site really fast, so you should look into it. There's also real estate sub niches, which includes flipping houses, flipping real estate, buy and hold, how to flip houses, investments, strategies, and so on. Another on the list is beauty. Women are people that do not play with their appearance. So one thing is for sure, when it comes to blogging about beauty, it is really high, and you should definitely look into it. Next on the list is technology. Technology, it allows you to tap into the lucrative niche filled with people. So definitely when you are blogging about technology, you're definitely going to relate with a lot of people like you, and they would really draw to your blog because you are providing the necessary information they need. Come on, everything is about technology right now. They definitely need you. So the second thing, aside finding your niche, which is our first step to take, is to find a way to sell, which is your blog. So find a way to blog about your products, and this is when you should look into what you want to do. Try to break it down on how you want to go about with the whole blogging process. So that's it. The next thing you should look at, which is the very last one, is to find a way to market your products. And when I say market your products, when I say market your niche, I mean like marketing on Pinterest, Google, and YouTube. Get to understand these 3 steps in order for you to start a blog. Another thing I would like to say is make sure you are really interested in your niche before you begin. Make sure you know what you're doing. Make sure you know that whatever you want to, in as much as you resonate with your niche, you just definitely have to ask yourself, is this niche going to sell? How do I reach out to the people? You need to have these questions in your mind. They are going to act as a guide in order for you to know where you're going to, how you're going to present your blog to the people. It's going to be a manual for you to adjust whatever you need to adjust. It's a way to really have one of the best blogs you can ever imagine of the video. And this brings us to the end